Ooh, I'm making some coleslaw today like you've never had before. I'm Ransom Ryder. Let's go through this. There's several ingredients. This coleslaw is going to be elevated above any you've ever had before. The secret special ingredients, and we're going to heat the dressing. All right, let's go in. This is sugar. Now, I want you to check my recipe in the channel below so that you can find out exactly what I'm using here and the amounts. In goes the sugar, and I'm placing this into a pot because we're going to need to put this on the oven on the stovetop and give this a heat. In goes apple cider vinegar. Thank you, little bowls. In goes mustard. This is ground mustard. Let's pop it right in. Then this, often overlooked but very delicious inside of coleslaw, celery seed. Let's pop it right in. Now, to blend it all together and make it stick like glue, this is a beautiful, wonderful, extra virgin olive oil. Let's pop it right in. Let's whisk this all together. You want to put this on the oven, the stovetop, and just get the sugar to melt. We're going to heat that up. Now I'm going to pop it here on my little stovetop. I have my camp stove right here next to me. It's on. And we just want to bring that up to where the sugar is fully dissolved and those flavors marry. It's like a party in there. Those flavors are going to marry. Now, I'm all about safety in the kitchen, so I'm going to put on my little special glove here because I'm going to be using this grater. And if you've worked a lot in the kitchen, you know, like I know, that these things are sharp. You can get hurt really quickly on that. Don't get hurt. You just want to use a protective glove. These are available online or at some of the local retailers could have one. Let's go ahead and get this carrot ready to go into the coleslaw. And when those get so small, I'm going to switch over and use a little bit off of this one. All right, just a little bit, about half of that. And then I'm going to hand cut my cabbage. And I'm making a small amount here. I don't need a lot of this. Let's dump this into the bowl. Let me get my bowl over here so you can see it. In go the carrots. That's about a half of a medium-sized carrot, not quite a half of a medium-sized carrot. In it goes. Now let me whisk on my little camp stove. I just want this sugar to dissolve and the oil to come up, but I want everything evenly dispersed, even disbursement. So when that gets warm all the way through, it will wilt the cabbage just a tad. All right, I think I'm gonna be able to turn that off. Yes. Let's come in and get my cabbage chopped up. And I am one of those folks who likes cabbage just a little bit on the large size. I don't want my coleslaw pureed. I don't want it from a food processor. I want to look at my coleslaw and know that you did it by hand because you like me that much. You like me that much. All right, put the core to the side. Let's go in, watch your fingers. Oh, this cabbage, so fresh. It smells so good. And I'm just using half of a small head of cabbage because it's just me here. I'm gonna need you to come on over and help me eat this. If you missed my live stream earlier, I live streamed a wonderful recipe for Smoky Mountain Southern style potatoes. All right, let's get this in. Let's get a spoon. I want to get my carrot in there. Now, I want to come in while the mixture is still hot. Let's salt to taste. Throw that in. And then let's do a little bit of pepper. Well, a lot of pepper. I like pepper. You may like pepper too. And let's get that mixed up. Get those carrots in there. Look how pretty that is. This is going to be so tasty and fresh. But it's just so unique because of the ingredients that we're using and the fact that this is hot. Let me give it a swirl. And then let's dress the cabbage and the carrots. Oh, look at that. So good. It reminds me of a Smoky Mountain favorite, kilt lettuce or wilted lettuce. That's exactly, it kind of has that same feel, that same vibe. And believe me, this coleslaw, because of the ingredients that we've used, it's got a vibe. It has a definite vibe. Oh, that smells good. Now I'm just giving this a stir. I'm evenly distributing all of that over my cabbage and my carrots. Now I have a tasting bowl because you know we're going to taste this. I am not going to let this get by without giving it a good taste. Look at that. Here it goes. Fork in hand. And remember, if you're just serving it for you, salt and pepper to taste. But speaking of taste, be sure to taste it if you were serving this, because remember, you might need a little extra sugar. There could be a little something extra you need. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. The mustard, the celery seed, the hot dressing. This is so good. Did I make enough? I don't know. Call your mama, call your friends. You're gonna wanna try this because this recipe stands above the rest. I just love it. You're gonna love it too. I'm Ransom Ryder. I'm straight down from the Smoky Mountains. I'm living in the city now, but I'm bringing my recipes to life for you. Come hang out with me. I need some friends in the kitchen. Bye, bye. Thank you. I'm gonna eat this.